Alright, this is Packet Tracer 812, configuring a WAN connection using PPP. I'm just going to follow through the directions here. If you want to tumble along with me, you may. So it wants us to open this up and remove nm4a/s. That's this. I don't know where we put it. That's a good idea. I almost got electrocuted. This is serious, like serious crazy. Okay. Wick 2T. 2T and slot 0. I'm guessing that's this one. Oh, yeah. This one and this one. That's slot. I can't even read that. I must be blind. Oh, here's slot 0. And then that must be slot 1. Okay. Now, wants us to connect. Let's power it on first. Now let's connect router 0 to router 2 with the DCE cable. Serial DCE. Oh, goofed. Serial 000 at once to 001. Okay, and let's configure the interface. In conf t se0/0/0 and IP address 172.16.3.6/30. I wonder if cider notation would work. I guess not. 255.255.255.252. Okay. Now, let's go do the other router. Unauthorized users not prohibited. That's horrible. I wonder if that was an accident. Okay. Int se0/0/1 IP address 172.16.3.9. This is a DCE interface. PC0. Oh, there it is. Alright. Ping the web server. 3.250. 192.168.3.250. What was that again? I have a terrible memory. 3.250. Okay, good. Okay, so let's troubleshoot. Let's try again. Okay, well, it says it's connected, so okay. Let's do this one. Okay. Alright, well, let's just roll with it, I guess. T8-11 router between ISP and switch 4. Switch 4, where's that? I see switch 5, I see ISP. I do not see switch 4. Okay, well, let's go to routers 2811. Let's just say it's over here. Wait, which one does it say? WIC 2T. WIC 2T module and slot 0. Oh my goodness. Okay, turn it on. It says to connect serial to ISP. Okay. And connect actually 0/0 to the new router. Switch 4. Where in the world is switch 4? Maybe it means this guy. Switch 5. Because there's no 4. Okay. I'm just going to do that. Ethernet 0/0 to 0/24. Okay, the very last one, alright. I don't question, just obey. Okay, the CLI, no. Configure terminal. So, okay, so yeah, I did that. Just name this router 5. Host name is router 5. And serial 00. IP address. What just did this? Oh, okay. Probably this one it wants us to do. -30/30. What's the IP address? 6.1. Maybe they do want to loop back. I don't know. Maybe it's already configured. Okay. Alright, so it's in the simple PDU auto capture. Looks like it failed. Okay. Next. Router 3 wants us to add a wireless router. So let's go to routers. I guess just a regular old router. Oh no. WRT300N. Ah, here we go. Never heard of that before. Okay. We got this wireless router. Connect internet port on Linksys device to R3 F0. Okay. I will. Let's see. It says be careful. I think that was pretty careful. Okay, there we go. On router 3 interface, I'm gonna do interface 0/1. So again, conft. Okay. I was distracted by the silly mistake there. IP address 192.1. Sorry, I have some lag here. Oh my goodness, it's such bad. 72.68.7.2/24. And no shut. That's because we're in simulation. Router. Let's say router wireless. Router 4. Okay. IP address 192.168.7.2. Subnet mask is 220/24, so class C. Alright. And now let's send simple PDU from PC4 to wireless router. And push play. Excuse me. Okay. Okay. So it seems to send fine there. And so I'll just delete that. Okay. Okay, let's set up an ACL on router 2. Port 80. Oh, what am I doing? Thought I was in the right place. Can't see why that's not working. Oh yeah. Alright, so I figured it out. You have to put the subnet mask in there. But if you're watching, you're probably thinking to yourself, you should just put the subnet mask in there. So I did that. And let's continue. Access list 100 permit TCP any established. Access list 100 permit ICMP any echo apply. Access list 100 permit ICMP any unreachable. And finally access list 100 deny IP any. Okay. Now I need to apply it to router 2's interface SE0/0/1 access group 100 out. I think somewhere in there. That's IP access group 100 out. Very cool. Okay, I think that's it. Alright, so, well, everything else is either pinging or PDUs or web browser, but I think that network's set up just fine, and without belaboring the point, that is configuring a WAN connection using PPP. Thanks.